Hello friends, this is Mohammad Abubakar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a backup and restore a FortiGate firewall configuration. Taking a regular backup is very important because it helps you quickly recover your firewall settings in case of hardware failure, accidental configuration changes, firmware upgrade issues, or device replacement. A backup ensures that you can restore your firewall configuration within minutes without having to reconfigure everything from scratch. So in this tutorial we will learn how to create configuration backup and save it securely and restore the configuration whenever required. So I will show the restore also. So we will cover here how to take backup and how to restore as well. So we will go to the profile admin. Here you can see their configurations and click backup. You can see here local PC. We can save the file on the local PC, or else if you connect any external USB it will show you here, but I did not connect any external hard disk here, so it will not show here. So I will click local PC. Once you click local PC, you can just click OK. It will directly download the file. If you click here encrypted, it will ask you to enter the password. Once you enter the password, just click OK. For example, after enter the password, the file will be downloaded, but you cannot open the file. If you open the file, it is completely encrypted. We cannot read the file. But if you remove the encryption, once you download and the saved file is readable, you can open and you can read as well. So now I will show you how to do that one. Local PC, click OK. Keep and show in folder. You can see here the file is available. If you click just once, you can see here it is readable format. The all information is visible here. If you click here in encryption, give the password, any password, and click OK. Keep. You can see the file. If I open the file, okay, click default. See, you cannot read the file properly. It is completely encrypted. Now we will restore the backup file. So go to admin, configurations, restore. You can see here we already saved to the local PC, so we can select from the local PC. If you select the file, upload, downloads, the first one we downloaded this one. If I select this one, it will not ask any password. It will directly, if I click OK, it will restore. But if you select this one, the second file, encrypted file, it will ask you to enter the password. Okay, invalid configuration file, because password is required, because we did not enter any password, so it will not uploaded and it will not restored until you enter the password. The next file, the first file we downloaded without password. So this file, if you click open, see here, if I click OK, click OK, it will reboot. It will take time to restore the backup file, then it will reboot the FortiGate firewall. You can see here system rebooting. After the reboot, you can log in and you can see the same dashboard because we restored the backup file. Login, later, okay. You can see here it is restored. So in next video we will cover other topics. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new FortiGate tutorials and technical updates. Thank you for watching.